Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. Uh, have you woke up from sleep feeling pain? How does that make you feel? How does that affect your whole day? Does it make you irritable? Does it alter your mood? A lot of studies and a lot of articles I've seen are saying that how you wake up in the morning determines your productivity for the whole day or how your whole day will go. So, waking up in the morning is crucial because if you wake up, you're in pain, you're irritable, you're not in the mood, you will tend to snap at your friends, your family, or you're not going to be in the mood to go to your job or do your job well, and it will affect your relationship with your family and friends, and also it will affect your bottom line, which is if you don't do well in your job in the future, it's going to affect how much money you're going to make. Now, some people have asked me, so what are the best exercises to do in the morning? Now, if you search online, you ask a lot of people, there's like tons of exercises that you can do in the morning, and a lot of them will be correct. It's hard to say that one is better than the other. So if you're asking me, what I'm gonna say is the best exercise in the morning is basically what are you trying to achieve? So that's my question there. What are you trying to do, or what are you trying to achieve with those exercises? If, let's say, you wake up in pain and your exercises that you want are meant to control that pain or to counter that pain, then I have one guide for you. One simple guide that I like to tell people is, first, I want you to observe how you're sleeping, all right? Depending on how you sleep, the exercises that you want to do will be the opposite or the reverse of how you're sleeping. So that's one simple guide that I tell people. For example, just to make you, to clarify that so you have a better understanding of what I'm saying, the reverse or the opposite. For example, when you sleep, some people sleep kind of like, in a fetal position, kind of curled up like this. So when you wake up in the morning, my suggestion will be, I want you to stretch going backwards. I want you to extend your whole body. So you want to reverse that curve. Now, for example, if on the other hand, you're a stomach sleeper, you go on your tummy. A lot of times when you sleep on your tummy, your back is kind of extended this way, especially with a pillow, if you have a pillow in your face, right? Or on your chest area. Now, the exercise that I would recommend for that, or exercises I would recommend for that, will be exercises that make you kind of curl up or stretch towards the flex position, because you want to counter the extension position that you have during sleep. All right, so that's one simple guide that you can follow when you wake, like how to determine what kind of exercises when you wake up in the morning. But of course, that simple guide, there's tons of exercises that you can do, for either direction, depending on, you can try, but to be very specific, it's hard, to determine which one is which, but or which one will be the most effective. But try something like that using that guide and see how you feel. And if that relieves, your pain, that relieves the stiffness that you feel in the morning, then that means you're doing the right thing. If it doesn't, or if it causes more pain, then you know that you have to stop and you have to seek help from specialists or an expert like us, who we can determine with more extensive evaluation on what will be the best exercises for you. All right, so feel free to try that advice, that suggestion, and let me know how you feel. Share this with your family and friends. Share this with your loved ones. You can follow us on our on our YouTube channel, and you can like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. All right, so I'll see you in the next video of Get Active and Fit with Reggie. Bye.